What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a iPhone, maybe tablet holder. I'm pretty sure it can hold up your tablet, but we have a holder right here, a desktop holder. Now, if you the type that like to have, maybe movies playing on your iPad, or if you want movies playing on your phone while you're doing your desktop work, then right here you have a stand. And this one was fairly at a fair price, you guys. So that's why I got this one. Now, I don't know about the quality and stuff like that. People always message me about the quality of something. You guys, in 2024 and beyond, or anything after 2019, forget about quality, okay? The quality of everything is gone. There's no such thing as quality no more. So, maybe it is for a couple of products. Oh, this feels heavy. I might have to take that quality thing back. This is heavy. And it's fingerprint friendly on there. So you'll definitely get fingerprints. But that should be easy to wipe down. Just get a little cloth or something. And here you go. You have your part where you should be able to hold your phone and your tablet, and it stays in place pretty good. So what we're going to do is we are going to place this right on top of here, put the screw in. I'm surprised this is like a actual screw. This is like a real screw. Well, it's pretty simple. Take your little hex key and screw it up. All right, you guys, and that's about it. You can flip it up in a little angle and it stays right on up. If you all the way down, you may run a risk of it falling. You see that? Now that's just me hitting my table. Of course, you're going to be at ground level, but you don't want this flat up and down. Just a tad bit of a tilt and you will be good. So that's it, you guys. That is the stand for the phone. Pretty sure you can do your iPad. Me, I got an iPad mini, so I know the iPad mini will work. That's a no-brainer right there. But as far as like the iPad Pro and stuff like that, I know Galaxy has, their big tablets. Google has a big tablet. Everybody has a big tablet. So I'm not sure if it fits the 10-inch or the 12-inch. But we will be getting the bigger tablet soon. So I will definitely test it out on that. But you also can adjust the height, you guys. That's pretty cool. If you need to loosen it to adjust, you can loosen it, make the adjustment a little bit easier, and then tighten it, and then it's hard to adjust. So, yeah.